Master Data Services is another service that you will probably see mentioned on the exam, and I just want to give you a simple overview of it here, just barely touch on it. It's a pretty big topic, and I just want you to be aware of it. And again, I'm going to direct you on this one to go out and do some reading on Microsoft's website, and if you feel especially adventurous, install this and play with it just a little bit. It's a really cool idea. And let's answer the question first. Just what is MDS? Well, MDS is really a central data hub that ensures the integrity of information and consistency of data that is constant across different applications. Now, I pulled that right off Microsoft's website. Really what we're talking about here, situations when companies have maybe 500, 600, 1,000 databases all over the place, and they have redundant data in those databases. For example, employee names may be in 6 different databases. So when an employee gets married, for whatever reason changes a name, they have to change these in all 6 places, and it can take quite a bit of time for that to be reconciled, and it has to cascade and be reconciled across those various systems in the company. And of course, this system is just error prone like everything. We can have misspelled last names. It looks like 2 separate employees. Just all kind of problems can crop up from this. Also, the fact that one department sees the person as one last name, and another department sees them with a different last name during the crossover period when these changes are being cascaded through the systems. The idea of putting all the data in one place and then pulling that data from that one place has been around with us a long time, and this is yet another solution to take care of that. Now, there's 3 main parts of Master Data Services that you do need to be aware of for the exam. There is the MDS database. This is where we store the master data and all the system objects. Keep in mind, I'm leaving a lot out here. There's a lot to this. You have to go through your organization and determine what is your master data. What master data needs to be included in this master data database. What system objects. Well, there are system objects out there to manage that. Then there's the MDS service database. This performs the business logic and data access. Then there's the master data manager. This is a web app for Master Data Services users and administrators to be able to connect up and see things and work with it. And keep in mind here that MDS installation involves quite a few steps. First of all, it's going to require that you have SQL Server 2012 Enterprise, Business Intelligence, or Developer Editions to even be able to install Master Data Services, and it only supports the 64-bit editions of those. Not a huge deal, because nowadays it's kind of rare to put a 32-bit database out there as a production database in an environment, but still you'll see it. And again, I want to strongly encourage you. I'm giving you enough kind of rounded off information here about Master Data Services. Again, this could probably be a 5 or 6 hour course on its own, and we just can't go that deep here. Go out and read about Master Data Services on Microsoft's website. Read about its installation and just read about its operation. There's a number of case histories out there, case studies. Read those. And again, if you have the time and the resources, install this and play with it before you go take the exam. It'll just help you on the exam. Again, don't expect them to go too horribly deep with Master Data Services, but you will see questions about it, and I just want you to be ready for it. Okay, so go do a little reading, a little tinkering with Master Data Services, and you should be good to go.